Okay, and then we have some cool pattern problems that are in the book and I want to go over. So one of the patterns in the book in 3.4 was this was just given to me. I didn't come up with it. It was given to me. It said 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 2 squared is 3 squared. 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 6 squared is 7 squared, and 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 12 squared is 13 squared. Find the 12th equation. This was the problem in the book. And I thought that looked kind of interesting. So when it said this 12th equation, I'm taking this as the first, this is the second, and this is the third. Okay, so I'm looking for what is the 12th. I don't know if I'm smart enough to jump all the way there yet, but I know that's what I'm looking for. All right, I gotta find a pattern here or I'm lost. 1, 2, 2, 3. What's the pattern? 2, 3, 6, 7. This was 2 and 3. This was 6 and 7. This is 12 and 13. It seems like it's one more than that number. Okay. 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, I'm catching up in my own lecture. All right, I think I see the pattern. So it seems like you multiply these two numbers to get this number, and then this number is one more than that. Okay, I'm gonna dare to jump to 10, and my brain's too, I've been lecturing for 5 hours straight now, so I'm a little soft. I'm gonna go to 10 and see what I can do. So 10 and 11, well, 10 times 11 is 121, right? Pretty sure. Good thing I'll check. And then this would be, all right, do you guys agree with my pattern? 1 times 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Does this hold? It didn't give me the answer. It just gave me these three patterns. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay, so then my thought is 10 times 11 is 110. And then that would be 111 squared. Does the pattern hold? I think. 11, 12. What's that? 131? Is that right? I think that's 131. It's 12, 120, 2, 3, 1. 133 squared. Okay. Do you agree with that? If you agree with that, we're almost there, I think. I think. Then I'd be at 12. 12. 13. All right, what's 12 times 13? All right, I could just add. I just add 12. 4. 4. That's 12 times 12, you dope. 6, 5, 1. 156? Okay. Agree or disagree? Does it make sense? Questions? Comments?
You just explain, I don't quite understand how, like, just honestly, just even in like the first example, how when you add like 1 plus 2 plus 2 squared, you get 3 squared. Because it seems to me like you should be getting 5 squared, but I know that's not right.
Okay, yeah. So looking here, this is the setup for the problem. They say, here is your pattern. Find the 12th. Okay, so here's your pattern. Find the 12th. Okay, so that's the goal. Now, you're saying, well, hold on now. Shouldn't this be a 5? We can check. We can check and see if it's true. 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is 4. 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is 9. Is this even a true statement? It didn't ask me to check. It stated it as a fact, but is it true? 4 and 4 and 1 is 9. So this is true. It checks out. Okay. So it wouldn't be 5 squared. It wouldn't be.
Oh, that makes much sense. I see exactly what you're talking about. Sorry, I
Okay.
just got confused.
Well, I might not have explained it that well. So this would be 4, 9, and 36 equals 49. That's either true or false. I think it's true. Okay, so that's what they're stating these first three as a fact. Here is a fact. Okay, so then they're saying, okay, well, here's another fact for you. 9 and 8 and 144 is 169. They're just saying that's true. Okay, if these are true, find the pattern and find the 12th. Okay, and then in my head, it's too hard for Ryan to jump to 12. It's not maybe now since I just did it, but looking at the problem, it was too hard for me. So I went to 10. So I was like, I don't know if I can do 12, but I probably could do 10. So that's why I chose to do this. Okay, you don't have to. If you can just skip to 12, then do that. Okay. Now from there, I went, okay, 11 and 12. Now what did I say? 11 times 12, 132. And so this is 133 squared. I think that's right. And then over here, we'd have 12, 13. And what did I say that was? 156? Yeah, pretty sure that's right. All right, did I get the same thing twice? I think so. All right, it just asked me to find the pattern. So that's what I tried to do. Okay. Can we do this one? 1 cubed plus 2 cubed equals 3 squared. 1 cubed plus 2 cubed plus 3 cubed is 6 squared. 1 cubed plus 2 cubed plus 3 cubed plus 4 cubed is 10 squared. Is that true? I think it's true. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1 plus 8 is 9. That's true. That was easy enough. 1 plus 8 plus 27 is 36. Yeah. 1 plus 8 plus 27 plus 64? 64 is 100. Okay, that's the pattern. Now, oh yeah, thanks, Chris. That's the pattern. Now, what's the 12th? Well, what's even going on here? I gotta break it down for myself. This is the first. and this is the second, and this is the third. What's going on? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 6. 3 and 3 is 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 3 gives me 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1 is 10. They seem to be adding them up. Okay. 1 and 2 was the first. 1, 2, 3 is the second. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the third. So what is the 12th? It seems like we're always like plus 1. So that's what I'm going to shoot for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Everybody's cute. Yeah. And then what is that sum? It's already in the chat. Thank you, Jonte. 91 squared. I think that's the pattern. I think that's the pattern. Okay. All right. It asked me to find the pattern, find the 12th equation. I think I did. I think I did. I think I did. I think I did. Okay. I have a little bit of time left. I need to do one more thing. I wonder what your patience level is. I need to do